So today we check out Mele Kalikimaka from Craft A Brew's Craft Society. This is the second kit. Let's go ahead and see what's in it. Welcome back, everybody. So this is Craft A Brew's second kit. I'm not going to try and pronounce it again. I'm horrible with names like that. But this is the second kit from Craft A Brew. If you didn't see the first one, what Craft A Brew has done is now you can sign up for a mail homebrew kit each month. And they will send you a new one every month. Now, this isn't on their site. This is a special kit just for the Craft Society. So this month's kit did arrive late. Usually it's the first of the month that they do ship, but Craft A Brew did say that they had some issues getting some of the ingredients. So this one right here is a tropical hopped toasted coconut milkshake IPA. I'm just going to set that one down there for now. Let's go ahead and open this. I did open it just to see what was in it, but I haven't taken anything out of it. So here is our toasted coconut. Now this will be going into a bag once we add it. Then we have our oats, more oats, and our 10 pounds, how many pounds? 6.25, I don't know why I said 10. 6.25 pounds of light malt extract. And we have the brew sheet. We'll get to this in a second. I'm just going to throw this out of here. And this box has like all our hops in it. And other stuff. Holy crap. Man, I can already smell these hops. So hops. What's this? This is Mosaic Citra Simcoe Blend. Alpha 11 plus 12 plus 13%. Add directly to carboy after 4 days of fermentation. That should be about correct. 3 or 4 days is when you really want to hop a beer. Here is another Citra Mosaic Simcoe Blend. Used directly to carboy after 10 days of fermenting. I think that's a little bit long, but we will go ahead and do it. Usually in dry hopping, you want to do it when fermentation is still active, so that way the yeast is pushing everything up, and as you're putting it in, then you don't run as big of risk to oxidize your beer. Excuse me. This is Simcoe. After boil, remove pot from burner, add at 180 degrees, let set for 30 minutes. I like how they put this information on here. Obviously, I believe it's on the sheet also, but we will see once we get to that. This is Citra. Use after boil, 180 for 30 minutes. So there's two that are going in at the same time. Then here is Mosaic 180. So as far as I'm concerned, there is nothing up front at the 60-minute mark or anything in the boil. We do have some lactose here. Let's go ahead and kind of go over what this is all about. 2.15 pounds of carapils, honey malt, and flaked oats divided into 2 bags. So there are grains on here. That was my fault. Obviously, like I said, I just opened the boxes. I didn't dig through them. So this does have a combination of malts, flaked oats, and carapils. We do have 2 of those in there. What else do we have? So 2 ounces of Citra hop stand, 2 ounces of Mosaic hop stand, 2 ounces of Simcoe hop stand, 3 ounces of Citra Mosaic and Simcoe blend dry hopped, then another 3 ounces of Citra Mosaic and Simcoe dry hopped. Yeast is SO4, which they do send you with a sack. I wish they would actually send 2 of these, but I guess you can cut this, because you will need one for these. Then I usually like to put my dry hops in a sack also, just to keep them together, so that way they're all not floating in there, because technically you're going to have 6 ounces of hops as dry hops, one after day 4, then one after day 10. But if you wanted, you could buy some long ones. What I usually do is buy long ones and cut them in half. So we do get the USO4. Like I said in the first one, I think Craft A Brew is the only place that actually sends you with the kit. I know you can pick what you want out of some of the other ones, but directly with the kit, they do send the yeast that's needed. I did look at this real quick. This is sanitizer. I probably won't be using this. This says half pack per gallon of water, save half for bottling. I'm probably not going to use this, but maybe we'll use it in another video. So just getting back to the actual brew day, or the instructions for the brew day. We are going to have a original gravity of 1068, ready in 4 weeks. ABV should be about 5.7, SRM is 5, IBUs are 40. It does go through all this. We will have a brew day. Actually, I'm brewing it today, so you'll see this, what's in the kit. Then later in the week, we will have the brew day for this one. But yeah, I am going to do a full boil. Again, if you didn't see my last one on the Imperial Stout, I didn't do a full boil because my hoses are put away, and I wanted to run some cold water to bring down the temp of my wort. So I didn't do a full boil, so my ABV was not at the right level, or it didn't correspond with what Craft A Brew said that it should be. This one, I'm going to do a full boil. We will use 8 gallons of water, maybe 7.5, since all the hops are going in at the end. 7.5 gallons of water. We will steep the grains because this is a extract kit. We will steep them per what they say. Then we will do the hop stand, and then we're going to do a no chill. I'm going to put it, I will try and get it down as low as I can. It is a nicer day today. It's around 40. I'm not pulling out my hoses and all that. We will do a no chill, let it sit overnight in the garage or something. Then I will pitch the yeast the next day. So thank you to Craft A Brew for sending this. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. Go check out the Craft Society on craftabrew.com if you want any more information. So far, both of these have been awesome. I can't wait to brew this. I was just talking to somebody about making a Milkshake IPA, and what do you know? This is what we get. So we will get this brew day going. Hopefully you enjoyed this. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. Go check out 31stbrewing.com. I will have the full recipe here up on the website here in a little bit. So thumbs up if you like this video, thumbs down if you don't. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It's free. Hit that bell so you know when new videos are coming out. And until next time, happy brewing.